Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning into another video on my channel. I'm your usual host Sarasu TCG, and we have a Cyberstorm access display here. As always, these displays are provided to myself by the best TCG store in my local area by its Kriegergilde Simbach. Very nice, check out Kriegergilde Simbach. Let me quick open this and I'll be right back. Alright, here we are, 24 packs as usual. And the most wanted card here, at least for myself, is the Chaos Angel, because that card looks insanely good. So let's start with Fusion Duplicate probably. Süße Träume Nimleria, Kaiserliche Prinzessin Queen Query, Maladie Umdeutung und zerreißender Morganit. Alright. Vollseher, Cybers Weise, Fallnachspüren, Tramturm und hellster flammender markierter König. Alright. And also with the 25th anniversary logo on them. 25 years. Yes, we're getting older now. Neue Grenze, Fusion Duplicate, Kitsune Kitsunebi, Goldstolz Kopf an Kopf und S-Kraft Night Chaser. Alright, S-Force Night Chaser. Die Pearly Spell, die King Hatsugei und Bestrafung der Schwänzseele. Right, die Super Heavy Samurai, whatever. Gunkan now gave a Suship things, Cybers Despeichwurm, whatever. Oh, that's a very evil card. And oh, our first secret here. Hello. Oh, you look crazy. Firewall Dragon Singularity. Our second Link 6 monster we get in the TCG. The other Link 6 monster is the Cyber's Arrival. Oh man, he looks badass. Not gonna lie. Love that. Cool. Very nice. Also wanted that one. That's the cover card from the display. Very nice to have that. Farbloses Reich, Pendaler Mond, Goldstolz Vollgas, SiCaTra is the last one. New Spirit Monster. Sadly, Spirit Monsters. Well, okay, the new Spirit Boss Monster thing, that's pretty sick. That's basically Fiber Jaw. But anything else? I don't know. Huli, Hasenho, oh god, alright. We come to die here yet. That's what I'm asking myself very much often myself. Goldstolz und der abgöttliche Alduba. Oh, okay. Looks also very menacing. Farewell Phantom. The Sword Soul Dynamorphia and Manadium Breakheart. Break your heart. Gonna break your heart again. If I not pull the Chaos Angel. Moissanite. Okay, da again. Von Argyros. Gyros Kalamari. Manadium Vorstellung and Grand Sulfurcord Coolia. Alright. Okay. Eisenschwein gegen Holzstift. Oh Gott. Super Heavy Samurai Benkei. Sulf und Trap. Whatever. New Borders, Signage-Schaltkreis, die vollaktive Zweiköpfer, Süße Träume und Möchte-Biene. Oh my god. That's Biene Maya. I don't know if you have that in the US too, Biene Maya, but that's a very famous German cartoon. Nemveria, Traumverteidiger, Goldstolz Vollgas, Doppelavatar Aun. Alright, and Cybers Weise. Tiger de Betual, the Fufu. Give me the Fufu. Voller Titel-Zweikämpfe, Fusion Duplicate, Huli, and Sternzeichenkundler Sternritter. Looks sick. Like that. Looks good. Manadium Breakheart, die Alekino, Hatsugei und SiCaTra. Goldstolz, Kopf, verstärken für die Rescue Ace Thing. Kitsune Kitsunebi, Hasenor Schwimmerin, and Nummern E-Whale. That's a crazy card and very complicated to use. You may have to be good at math if you want to use that. Pendulmond, wir schauen die Schwätze, Dynamo Intact and Sulfur Chord Symphony. Oh god, now I'm not gonna say that. You know, that's what... No, I'm not gonna say that. Gut kannst Zuschiff Tages anfangen. Tiger de Travel Food Doppelangel. Nice, best card. Verstärken and sign it rollback. Die Marked King, whatever. Pearly Spell, Farewell Phantom und die Super Heavy Samurai. Whatever. The rest of that card is in English. Moissanite, die Comet General, nämlich der Quette, vollaktive Zweiköpfer, Tigerdebertal Fu und Adularia vom Junimond. From the June Moon? I don't know. Maybe a friend of mine needs this. Gonna take that aside. Manadium Breakout Pet. Oh, we hadn't pulled that before. Kastiere Axtra und die Super Heavy Samurai Monk Benkei. Great Benkei. New Borders, Cybers, whatever. Die Argyrus, die Moissanite, and Manadium Riumhaut. I see. Oh, very shiny, almost like a ghost ray. I can't really say what's going on the picture. At least through the camera, not through the camera. Goldenes Wolkenauge, Malung. Oh Gott, Malung. Traumturm, Faules Reich, and Pendulum Moon. Malong, isn't that a very famous table tennis player? Malong, isn't he? I think so. Seinhet Schalkres, Huli, Mekankutans, Hasenor Schwimmerin, and Träumende Lemleria. Okay. What the hell? Oops. Alright. Malong, again, our table tennis player. Severus Weises, Sulfur Symphony, and Remove Trap. No. Fallen Aufspielen. I don't know. Oh, boah, that's a hot one to open. Oh, yeah. Gone. Manadium Umdeutung. Super Heavy Samurai. Kitsune Kitsunebi. Etüde Makitten. And the Wish Dragon, probably. Die Aun, yes. Pearly Spell, nämlich der Orayla und die Pendel-Anhänger. Fusion Duplicate, meine Vorstellung. Super Heavy Samurai Motorcycle, die Quet and... Oh my god. He looks sick. Hell yes. Die Diabolic, I don't know, teuflischer Diabolic Astrolaut. Oh my god. That's a sick card. I guess I'm gonna keep that too. He looks badass. Sadly no Chaos Angel then. Well, you can't have always anything. Kastiere Axtra, Arlecchino, and Dynamorphia Intact. Contact. Sabers irgendwas. Vollaktive Zweiköpfer. Doppelangeln. Seine Schaltkreis und Kitty Tail. Kitty Tail, the Mystic Beast of the Forest. Probably. Die Aun, Pearly Spell, Lily und Super Heavy Samurai, whatever. New Borders, Super Heavy Samurai, whatever, die Rescue Ace Thing, Doppelangeln und Stellar Knight All Terrain. Okay. Penlanghänger, Fabulous Reich, Hotsugoi und Fireball Phantom Dragon. No, not a dragon. Oh, that's a heavy pack. Maybe the Starlight is in here. I guess not. Kaiserliche Prinzessin Queen Query. Tanz. Goldstolz, Kopf an Kopf, in Tüte der Markierten und Ernteengel des Schicksals. Okay. Pendelanhänger, Goldstolz, Rayla and the Breakheart. Break my heart. Break heart. Do it. Do it now. Kitsune, Kitsunebi, Huli, Etüde, Seinet, and Manadium Fruchtlos. That's one of these snowball things, you know, you shake and then the snow flies around. Manadium Breakheart, Alegino, King, and Goldstolz Vollgas. These are now, how many packs left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 packs left. 6 packs. Starlight would also be nice. But not. Calm down. Calm down. Hasenrohrschwärmerin, wie kommt daher? Gunkan Zuschiff, Whatever, Manadium Umdrehung and Grand Soul Flavor Coolio. Our funny pick, die vorne aufspielen, Hatsugei und Sulfurkurt Symphonie. The Arguros. Where do you play that? Okay. Could be played anywhere. Sweet Dreams, Madame Vorstellung, Goldstolz, and Signet Rollback again. Traumturm, Lili, Pendelanhänger und Kastira Axtra. Moissanite, die Comet General, feueraktiver Zweikampfer, Super Heavy Samurai, Signet Schaltkreis, and Goldstolz Kutschen Carry. Oh God. Whoa, these are penguins. And I don't know what it should be. But these are penguins or fish, actually. Well, if you think you have seen it all, Konami releases that thing. Da Fufu again, New Borders, Dai, Doppelangern, and again our Bestial Aluba. Okay, how do you summon this? Okay, interesting. Malong, table tennis player. Sabers Weise, our pick and Traumtour. Mikanko, Fusion Duplicate, Queen Query, Manadium Umdrehung und Eisjade Ran Girine. I see. Okay, now I see. First it was a total mess, the picture, but there's the head. Alright, why not? Perla Lili und SiCaTra, und dann nochmal für Intakt. What's up with these packs? Last pack of Cyberstorm Access. Super Heavy Samurai Motorcycle, Manadium, Sweet Dreams, Fufu, and the Schutzkodiersprecher. Talker, Decode Talker, whatever. Alright. Hotsugoi, the Fabulous Reich, what does that even do? Okay. And Malong again. Alright. So much for Cyberstorm Access. So much for Singapore. Cyberstorm Access. Sadly no Chaos Angel. But the Astro Loud Lord thing, that looks insane. I mean, when the camera focuses. And she does not. Now it has. That looks sick. That looks very sick. Beautiful. Alright, let me think what you... Let me know. Other way around. I always say it's the false way around. Let me know what you think about this set. That's what I wanted to say. Again, saying thank you very much to Kriegergilde Simboch, who had supplied me with that display. And my usual words, thank you very much for watching. And until next time, goodbye.